அப்படினா முதல்ல சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. கூட பெல் பட்டன் வரும். அதை கிளிக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா மொத்தம் 3 ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கும். அதில் ஆல் அப்படின்னு செட் பண்ணிட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா இது மாதிரி நம்ம போடக்கூடிய எல்லா வீடியோஸும் உங்கள் மொபைல் நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனுக்கு உடனுக்குடன் வந்துடும்.
That's so fair to let go. You decide if you ever gonna let me know. Suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, you know, yeah. I'm sad, you know, yeah. Since the day I met you, thinking about the things I've never thought that I'd be going through. Talking to the mirror, looking at my fucking rearview. When you're by my side too, got me feeling like I'm dreaming. And I just woke up, happened to found you. Dancing, laughing and then masking, yeah. Desire, you're a fucking liar. I told you, baby, don't do. Never ever lied to someone who tasted the pain of the old and then did the tattoo. Never lie to me. Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. Hate me, tell me how you hate me. Tell me how I'm trash and you can easily replace me. Tell me that I'm strung out, wasted on a daily. Probably cause there's no one around me numbing all my pain. Probably cause there's no umbrella to shoot me from all the rain. Probably because you're the one playing on my game. You hate me because I don't let you play no more games. They give me my crap. All I need's a little love in my life. All I need's a little love in the dark. A little, but I'm hoping it might kickstart me and my broken heart. I need a little loving tonight, homie, so I'm not falling apart. A little, but I'm hoping it might kickstart me and my broken heart. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain. And now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved.
Face. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.